Hello, I'm attorney Matt Parker with the elder law firm of Marshall, Parker & Weber. Today I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions: what is the 5-year look-back period? Well, first, you need to understand the public benefit program Medicaid, also known as medical assistance. This is a public assistance program that pays for long-term care costs, such as nursing homes or care in your home. In order to become eligible for the Medicaid program, you need to spend down your resources in order to get to their resource limitations. In addition, you need to disclose any transfers of resources that you may have made within the 5 years prior to applying for the program. If you happen to make transfers of resources within that 5-year period, you could be ineligible for the program. Now, how long you're ineligible will depend on how much you gave away. If you gave away a lot of resources, you may be ineligible for a long time. The program has what's called a divisor, where they divide into the amount that you gave away by this divisor. There's a daily divisor and a monthly divisor. So if the monthly divisor was $10,000 and you gave away $10,000, you would be ineligible for 1 month. The time at which the period of ineligibility begins is dependent upon when you are eligible for benefits. If you've spent down your resources to the eligibility limitations on resources, that is the point of time in which the period of ineligibility will begin to run. This is particularly problematic for a single person, where the amount of resources they can keep is very limited, typically at $2,400 of countable resources. So, a person who is impoverished at this point may not have the resources that they gave away years ago to pay through their period of ineligibility. That's why it makes a lot of sense to transfer assets at least 5 years before you need to apply for the Medicaid program. If you've transferred assets, no matter how much they are, more than 5 years ago, they will not affect your eligibility for the Medicaid program. Now, for someone who might be facing a long-term care illness in the near future, you have to be very prudent when you're giving away resources. I encourage my clients to use an asset protection trust to protect their home or other savings from the cost of their care. By using a trust, you can ensure the assets will be there during the 5-year look-back period. So if you need to access them, they can. If you'd like to learn more about the 5-year look-back period and other topics, do visit our website at paelderlaw.com.